What's new in Condo Control? We have created a new report that includes all the service request type custom fields. The Service Request with Custom Fields report allows you to select specific service request types and pick which custom fields you would like to show or not show on the report. You can save your customized report to make it available in the future. You can also add as many service request types and custom fields as you like and export the report to Excel to customize your formatting. We have updated the service request feature on our mobile app to include voting on architectural change requests. Approvers can now submit their vote and any applicable comments right from the mobile app. They can also review votes and edit their own vote as needed. This update brings parity between the web and mobile app and is available on iOS version 12.8 and up and Android version 12.8 and up. Administrators can now create and publish elections without adding any questions in advance. Questions can be added live during the virtual meeting, making this ideal for town hall-style sessions where discussions shape the voting. In this setup, the election serves primarily as a meeting notification, with voting taking place only during the live session. This change applies to the general and electronic voting form. You can read more about our new features and system improvements in our release notes.